Hello everyone and welcome back to Hannah's Happy Home. Today's video is going to be the makeover of this small guest bathroom that's here beside our laundry room. I'm going to be taking you through the whole process. We are starting back when we first got the keys to this house. This is what this bathroom looked like, and I'm going to take you through the whole process, each step. So the very first step was to take everything out of the room, the vanity, the toilet, because my husband was going to lay tile in the laundry room and the bathroom, and we filmed this whole process of laying this tile. If you want to see that video, I will link it down below. Before you could lay the tile, he had to remove the door and then prep the floor for the tile, and we take you through this whole process back in that previous video where we laid all of the tile in the laundry room and the bathroom. And this tile is from Floor & Decor. It's really pretty. We love how it turned out in here. And that previous video is an episode in our home renovation series. If you're new here, this house is a fixer-upper that we bought. So we've been filming the whole renovation process if you want to go back and see those videos. And also if you want to subscribe, that would be awesome if you want to see all the future renovation videos as we continue to renovate this house. Okay, so the next step in the process was to finish removing everything from the walls, these hooks that were here on the walls, the light switches, the plugins. We just needed the walls completely stripped bare so that I could start filling in these nail holes and priming and painting the walls and the ceiling. First thing I painted was the ceiling. I used Valspar ceiling paint from Lowe's. I did about 2 coats of that up there, and then while that was drying I started on the walls. And on the walls first I just did a primer, and then I went in with Agreeable Gray by Sherwin-Williams. I also got this at Lowe's. This is also the same color that we used throughout the rest of the house. I was gonna do a different color in this bathroom just to switch it up a little bit, but we had so much of this Agreeable Gray color left over that I just decided to use it on this bathroom. And I ended up having to roll 2 coats of this Agreeable Gray on the wall, and then I went in with the paintbrush to get all of the corners and up by the ceiling. It is so hard to paint up along the ceiling and try to get a straight line, but I tried to do the best job that I could. Okay, now that the tile and the painting is done, now comes all of the fun stuff. We got this vanity and mirror set at Lowe's on clearance for a really good price. We both just thought this vanity would be perfect in this space. It ended up being the perfect size. It came with black handles. It's got a marble top. You guys will get to see more details of that later. And then after that, my husband installed the new trim along the floor in this bathroom. And then once he finished that, I did some cleaning in here. I cleaned the walk-in shower that's in this bathroom and the toilet. This bathroom, even though it's a very small bathroom, it has a decent sized walk-in shower, which I'm really glad that it has. It's going to come in handy when we have guests. They can have their own bathroom because the boys have their own bathroom. We have our own master bathroom. So then guests can just have this bathroom to themselves. Next step was to add the fixtures to the room. We installed this light fixture that I purchased at Lowe's. I had a very hard time finding a matte black light fixture. They only had about 2 options to pick from there. Even though this is such a small bathroom, it seems like we put so much work into it. There's just so many details that go into giving a room a complete makeover from start to finish, even if it's just a small bathroom like this. It was definitely a lot of work and a long process, but it was worth it. I can't wait for you guys to see the before and the after. So my husband installed new receptacles, switches, all that kind of stuff, and then he installed the backsplash for the countertop. It does come with a little backsplash piece that goes up there on the top. Like I said, this is a marble countertop. We're really impressed with this vanity, would highly recommend. I'll be sure and link it down below. I will try to link as many of these items as I can down below. I thought this was pretty neat. It's a toilet tissue holder that also has a phone shelf on top, so I had to get that and install it on there. And it was also the only matte black tissue holder that I could find at Lowe's, so that's the other reason that I had to go with that one. And then I put hooks on the wall for towels and hand towels, and now comes my favorite part, which is the before and the after of this bathroom makeover. Before we end this video, I want to give you guys a quick walkthrough of this bathroom. We'll start off here at the door. We did replace all of the doors in the house with these new doors from Lowe's, and then we replaced all of the hardware on the doors, the hinges, and then these handles, which are from Kwikset. The floors, of course, are the statement piece in here. My husband did an amazing job on this tile. Like I said, this tile is from Floor & Decor. He also did a really good job on this new trim that we installed. Of course, we did the new paint on the walls and the ceiling, new receptacles, switches, everything like that. I love how this vanity looks in this bathroom. It's just perfect. Like I said, it will be linked down below. It's got the black handles. I love that it has the storage underneath for towels, and you also have quite a bit of storage inside the cabinet as well. Storage is a must when you have such a small bathroom. I don't have much in this cabinet yet, but I want to keep a little basket of travel size toiletries for guests, extra toilet paper, washcloths, all of that kind of stuff I can store underneath of there. And then the countertops on this vanity are beautiful. Like I said, they're marble. This vanity does come with the countertop, the backsplash, and the sink, but we had to buy the faucet. I got that from Amazon for a really good deal. Faucets can be pricey, especially matte black ones. and this one is really good quality and it was a great deal, so I'll have a link for it down below. I think it's just kind of like a finishing touch on top of this vanity. It's very modern looking, and then I added these accessories here on the side. This cute little basket is from Target. It's from the Hearth & Hand brand. This hand soap and lotion set was from Home Goods, and then of course I've got the little candle down there from Hearth & Hand. This one smells amazing. And then I have a hand towel from Hearth & Hand on these black hooks, which are also from Hearth & Hand. Can you tell that I went to Target to get the decor for this bathroom? But I really love all of the bathroom items that they have in the Hearth & Hand section at Target right now. That mirror came along with the vanity, which was nice. I didn't have to buy a mirror. And then this light fixture, like I said, was from Lowe's, and originally I thought I was going to put floating shelves above the toilet, but once we got everything in there, it just would have been too crowded. So I just did this little basket, also from Hearth & Hand. It matches the basket on top of the vanity, and I put these little greenery pieces. These were only $4 each from Target. They're in a really good quality black pot. And then that toilet paper holder that's also doubles as a phone stand. And then that little garbage can is from Home Goods. And on the other side of this bathroom is that walk-in shower. It is a very decent sized shower considering how small the bathroom is. The shower doesn't really match everything else that's going on in the bathroom, but it wasn't in the budget to put in a whole new shower. I hope that you enjoyed this small bathroom makeover. Stay tuned and subscribe because there will be more room makeover videos in the future as we continue to renovate this house. And I'll see you in a couple days in a new video. Bye!